To our dear graduates, parents, and teachers, graduation is always a time for celebration. It is the culmination of the tireless efforts collectively exerted by all to educate and to mold our children. Sa inyong pagtatapos, marami pa kayong pagsubok na harapin. At iisa lang ang mapapayo namin sa inyo. Huwag matakot. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to face the challenges that lie ahead. Don't be afraid to be different. Huwag kayong pumayag na magpatangay lang sa agos kung alam ninyo naman na mali ang patutunguhan. Don't be afraid to stand up for what is right and never compromise your principles. Don't be afraid to dream big. Libre naman ang mangarap, kaya lakihan ninyo ang pangarap ninyo. Follow your heart and reach for the stars. Huwag niyong maliitin ang inyong sarili at ang inyong kakayahan. Never underestimate what you are capable of achieving. Don't be afraid to fail or to make mistakes. Lahat tayo ay nadadapa at nadapa na. Ang mahalaga ay bumangon tayo. No matter how rough the path may be, keep going till you reach your goals in life. Let all your failures strengthen your resolve to succeed. Bawat kabiguan ay dapat maging dahilan at inspirasyon para lalo tayong magsumikap upang magtagumpay. Don't be afraid to lead. Huwag niyong isipin na kayo'y taga-sunod lamang o sunod-sunuran lamang. If people keep putting you down, learn to stand up for yourself and for others. Huwag kayong magpaalipin. Pag nasa tama ka, ipaglaban mo. Innovate, create, and challenge the status quo. That's how you change the world. Marami tayong mga naranasang pagsubok ngayong taong ito. Mga kalamidad, ang pagtaas ng presyo, ng langis at ng bilihin, at kahit dito sa Taguig, ang pagkawala ng kaayusan at katahimikan. Kami po ay nakikiramay sa pamilya ni Roel Cruz, isang graduating high school student sa Signal Village, na naging biktima ng karahasan at sa murang edad ay naagawan ng kanyang buhay at ng kanyang mga pangarap. Let this be a lesson to all of us. Maikli at mahalaga ang buhay. Life is short, life is precious. Don't waste it, and more importantly, don't be afraid to chase your dreams and make the world a better place. Congratulations, graduates. Live long and prosper.